Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be showing you how to set VirtualBox up for Windows. It is pretty similar with Mac and Linux, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to select what operating system you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows. So when you download VirtualBox, you will see this file, VirtualBox, whatever the version is in Windows. So just double click on that, click next. So these are all for your security. The only thing that isn't really for your security is Python support. This is more for developers that are coding with Python, but I don't do that, so I'm just gonna disable the feature and click next. You can disable the shortcuts if you want to, but make sure you have register file association ticked. Warning, network interference. So this is just setting up a network card so that your actual network isn't affected by the stuff you do on your virtual machine. Yes. Click yes. Okay, now untick this and click finish. Then you want to go to the other link in the video, then go on to this site, what will take you to Microsoft, download virtual machines. It is meant for testing Windows Explorer, but really no one does that. So you select what type of Windows operating system you want. I'm gonna get Windows 10. You can select from Windows 7 and 8 and 10, 8.1 I should say. Then you select your platform, so what virtual machine you're using. So we're using VirtualBox. Then you download the zip. So once it is downloaded, it will be in a zip file. All you have to do is unzip that and extract it. Then you'll have this. Just double click on it. Select what name you want. So I'm just going to name it test. Select how many cores you want. I recommend not going above half of your cores of your host machine. So say if you have a quad core, just do 2 cores or less. I wouldn't recommend doing any more, otherwise it could cause your host machine to crash. Then for RAM, I recommend the same. Say if you have 4 gigs of RAM, only give it 2. If you have 8, only give it 4, and if you have 16 like me, just give it 8 or 4 gigabytes. I'll give it 4 gigabytes. Then you just click import and wait for it to import. So once your virtual machine is done importing, you can just start it now, but I recommend going to settings, then down to system, so you can see your amount of RAM and how many CPU cores you have. I recommend putting this here to 100%. This just allows your virtual machine to take 100% utilization of those 2 cores. Then I recommend going down to display, enabling 3D and 2D video acceleration. Then max your video memory up to max. Then click OK. Then you can start the virtual machine. Okay, so when the virtual machine starts, open up this tab here where you got the downloads from, and you'll see your password is capital PASS W0RD exclamation mark, so just enter that in. Okay, so when you first launch a virtual machine, you'll see this here and a document. No one really cares about that document, so just go ahead and delete it. So then you can go into your settings and then change your password. So go to accounts, sign in options, just change your password. You will find that some of the icons will get a bit glitchy sometimes. It's just that VirtualBox does not have that good of 3D support yet. So new password, say sub to me please, sub to me please, sub to me please, sub to me please, sub to, so then finish. So once you have done that and you get all your stuff, I recommend going to machine, take a snapshot and name it whatever, click OK, and then let it take the machine state. That will just take the machine state, and if you want to revert to the snapshot, it will bring you back to this. So if I say make a new folder, make a few new folders, you know, just make a few documents in that, and say these were malware and it screwed up your computer. What you would do is you would just hit the X up here, then instead of saving the machine state, click power off machine, don't tick that, click OK. Then once you have done that, say it was malware and you want to revert your computer back to the way it was, well, your virtual machine, just click on snapshots, whatever your snapshot name was, and you just click restore. Then untick this. If you want to take a snapshot of what the malware did or whatever you did, just tick that. If you don't, just untick it. I don't recommend taking it. Then click restore. Then you can just start the virtual machine up again. And you'll see it will stay restore virtual machine, and all we'll do is just countdown. And see all those folders are gone, and that text document. I can go into files, and you'll not find anything. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. If you would like to see more tech guides like this, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you want to ask any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.